Sky Tarot's Bernadette here, your self-taught intuitive reader. Today I'm going to do a very special unboxing today. I know these cards have been out a little while now, but I saw that on Netflix we have the series 5 of Stranger Things. So I thought I would purchase, because of the Stranger Things on Netflix, I thought I would purchase the actual tarot cards. So if you're a new subscriber or coming in here new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, love you so much. Thank you for coming. So now let's get into this. So this is the actual box of the Stranger Things. I really want to get the Stranger Things kind of music going on here, but I can't because of copyright. So I'll try and find the best way. Look at that shimmer. Look at that shimmer in things. So that's the box. It's just a tarot card deck and a guide. And it's inspired by Netflix. So if I go along here, and there's the writer and the illustrator. Here we are. And if I turn it this way, and that's the back of the box. Okay. So there we are. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the box and let's see what's going on. I've got it upside down. See? You can have it upside down or you can have it right way round. Which way do you want it? So I'm just going to open the box now. It is a little bit hard to open the box. There we are. And that's the inside of the box. Then we've got the book. So if I just pop that way round. Then we've got the book here. So we'll just have a delve into the book. It's got tarot card readings, new towns, journeys. So yeah, I'll have to work out what the spokes, the dice, scoops, and the the stance means, and then we go into the major. So there's no kind. Oh, there is. It is got It has got pictures in, and they're in colour. But then when you get to the majors, they have a bigger kind of. There we are. Okay. So I'll leave the book there because I may need it to quote the suits of the cards. So if I take the cards out, and that's what the box looks like without the cards. So there we are. So I love the backing. I do actually like the backing. Sorry, my TV's just switched itself on. There we are. That's the backing. So what I'll do now is I will start going through the cards now. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to turn off here because I need to get my book of how to interview the cards. Just bear with me. So I'm back now. And just as I looked at my my battery life, it was 44.04. So maybe a work in progress going on here. So I will start with the first card. So we'll do a walkthrough of the cards now. So we have the Fool, Magician, the Empress, the High Priestess, sorry, the High Priestess, now we have the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant. I love this card, the Lovers. The Lovers. Chariot. Had to be a card in it, the Chariot. Had to be the car. Strength. Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. Justice. Hanged Man. Death. Now I'm going to have to study these cards quite a bit. Temperance. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to study these cards quite a lot. It's like any whimsical card, you have to really study them. The Devil. The Tower. I like this one. The Star. The Star. Moon. Sun. Judgment. Oh, and I think I've missed a card out. Yeah, Judgment. And then we have the World. I love that card. I think that's quite a sweet card, actually. So, now, I'm just going to get the book out because we've got the King of Stands. The King of Stands. King of Stands is next. So, let me just get my book out and see what that means. So, the King of Stands are wands, are the wands group. So we've got the wands here. Whenever I see this card, I get the saying, "Pizza dude!" Pizza dude. Oh, that's when they were singing, they were singing a song, I think it was from the Tales of, New York or something like that, or, there we are, it's the lights. So these are the swords, all these are the swords, not swords, wands, sorry. All these are the wands. See how you can easily get mistaken. Even a good tarot reader can mistake these because they're different sayings. So the stands are the wands. Stands are wands. So very fiery, very active energy wands are. And I think this is the last one of the wands. That's the last one of the wands. So now I'm going to go on to scoops. Let me find out what scoops are. So scoops are pentacles. So a slow moving energy. So a slow, very slow moving, very relaxed energy. And I haven't actually watched series 5 of Netflix of Stranger Things. I have to watch it. I haven't had time to at the moment. Sorry if you can hear that rattling in the background. That's out of my control, I'm afraid. And the last of the scoops, which are the pentacles. And then we go on to dice. So again, I've just got to get out what the dice mean. Dice are swords. So this is the fastest manifesting thing you can get. So the swords, these are. So whenever I read with these cards, I'm going to have to write down which suits are which. Now I would have, if I hadn't looked properly, I would have said that lights were swords. They're not, they're wands. And I can see why. You can get mixed up. I can see why. I think they're a bit mixed up as well. I haven't shuffled them or anything, but I feel like some of these cards are a little bit mixed up maybe. Or maybe not, I don't know. I'm just no, it's just me looking at them all. I'm just a human being. I have got a bit of a cold, so sorry if I keep sniffling as well. And that's the last of the swords. So these ones, the spokes, must be cups. Let me just check though. yeah, spokes of cups. Now I would have said these were pentacles, but they're not, they're cups. So very emotional, these cards are. Cups are very emotional. And with these cards, I'm getting very easily confused with these cards. I can't read these cards very easily. So I'm going to have to really, really work hard on learning these cards. It's like the Three of Cups. It usually means celebration, but there's nothing there to say celebration. So we're coming up to the last two now. There we are. I actually do like the last one. It's kind of like flying in the air. I'm flying in the air. So right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to shuffle them. Let me find cardstock quality at the moment. So yeah, the card quality is quite cool. They sometimes do stick, not as often as what some might. And because the cards are quite big, I have to shuffle them in a bit of a unique way because I can't shuffle them properly. So I'll shuffle them. Then what I usually do, because they're a new deck, I halve them like that, turn one lot over. So shuffle them again, and then we do the same again. I do that about twice, maybe 3 times. So again, cut, shuffle, there we are. There we are. So now I think I'm ready to ask the questions now. So there's 3 questions I ask, and the questions are, let me get my book out. The questions are, what kind of tarot deck are you? What type of readings do you like to be used for? And what do you look for in a tarot reader? So, first question. What kind of tarot deck are you? What kind of tarot deck are you? And they're not very easy to pull out, so what kind of tarot deck are you? Let's take that one. Oh, there's 2 there. See what I mean about they get stuck very easily. Oh, I just heard a ding somewhere. I don't know where it was from, but I heard a ding. Yeah, a lot of the cards are getting stuck together. I might have to choose one in a minute because a lot of the cards are getting stuck together. I think I definitely will have to work with them. Oh, there we are. We got one. We got one in the end. So we have the 10 of dice. So they talk about emotional blockages. They're used for emotions. So I would say these cards like talking about grounding your emotions to get rid of all the blocks that may be in your traumatic life. So they might be a way of helping your emotions at the moment. And it's completing your emotions as well. 10 is all about completions. So you've completed a cycle of emotions kind of thing. So I think they're trying to help you through an end of an emotional kind of experience. So, what kind of readings do you do? Well, we know they like doing about emotions. We know they're a deck about their emotions. They like to talk about their emotions. So, what kind of readings do you do? What kind of readings do you do? So I think that one wanted to come out. Right, so we have the stands. Now, the stands were wands, weren't they? So they like to be used for action. They like to be used for action. So maybe emotional action. They like to talk about emotions, but acting. They like to read about acting on your emotions, changing your emotions, opening that door to your new emotions, grounding your emotions. And when I see a door, if I see a door and I see death as well, the card death, I usually think of walking through the door of fear, because you don't know what's behind that other door. Yes, there's red there. Yes, red could mean danger. Also, red could mean grounding as well. So you just don't know. So you've got this is a deck that likes to read about acting on your emotions. So they like to do emotional readings, and they like to read about acting on your emotions and changing your mindset. So be kind to me. What do you look for in a tarot reader? What do you look for in a tarot reader? Oh, sorry guys. I just knocked my camera over. Sorry guys. So what do you look for in a tarot reader? Let's get this properly set up again. There we are. What do you look for in a tarot reader? 5 of spokes. 5 of spokes. And we said that was oh no, swords. So no, this isn't about emotions. This is swords. This is about your mindset. They like to talk about your mindset. I'm really sorry about that. So swords and spokes are emotions. So yeah, we've got 2 5s. Have we got 2? No, we've got a 4, 5 and 10. We've got a 4, 5 and 10. So yeah, I'm really sorry about that. The question was, what kind of deck are you? They're about the mind. They're all about the mind. They're not about the emotions. They're all about their mind. I do apologise on that. I told you it's you can very easily be mistaken with these cards, because they're not. You have to learn about them, you know. So 5 of spokes. 5 of spokes is all about emotions. So they like a tarot reader to tap in and change their emotions when acting on the mind. When they're doing a reading, they like a tarot card reader to act emotionally and walk people through that door of fear with their mind. Give them an open mindset. That I feel like the mindset at the moment for anyone at the moment, if this reading was a reading and not an interview, I would say your mind's got to walk through the through the door of fear to change your emotion. So that's what the reading I would get from. So they want a tarot reader to basically be able to change their emotions with any kind of reading, and be sympathetic and be joyful and be sad and be happy and be jolly and be somber and all those kind of things that they want you to be. They want a tarot reader to be. Okay, so this is it for the unboxing today. I hope you've enjoyed this film. I've immensely enjoyed sorry guys, I've immensely enjoyed doing this reading. Forgive me for making a bit of a faux pas with the dice. The dice are actually swords, so it's about the mind. So I have got to go away and basically study these cards a bit more. So yeah, I hope you like this reading today and unboxing. If you're new here, can you do me a favour? Can you like the film, click the bell on all so you can be reminded of when I'm uploading every Friday, and doing us another favour, do me another favour. There's a button just down here called subscribe. If you like this kind of work that I'm doing, subscribe to me. Tell your friends, family, anyone. Just go and tell anyone, sister, brother, anyone, work colleagues, go and tell them. And if you're a returning subscriber, love you so much for returning, and thank you for your support. And I shall see you next Friday. Bye.